Is it?
We have never ever seen one.
It's your Ethan?
No, various places in the park.
That is cool. Good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. So this morning we're at Animal Kingdom. I'm just sat outside Stooley Canteen because Mum and Nathaniel are on Flight of Passage, which I don't really like Flight of Passage too much. They absolutely love it, so I just get to sit here and wait for them. And then we're going to Blizzard Beach this morning. So the plan for today is we're at Animal Kingdom for like an hour-ish this morning until we wait for Blizzard Beach to open, and then we're going to go over to Blizzard Beach, have a couple of hours there. I'm really excited about the mini donuts because we haven't been to Blizzard Beach since about 2019. Actually when we came with my granny and Nathaniel was like 6, because obviously Blizzard Beach hasn't been open and it's just been Typhoon Lagoon. So I'm very excited for that. And then this afternoon we're going to come back to Animal Kingdom, do some more rides. We're having tea at Yak and Yeti, and then we're maybe going to go over to Magic Kingdom to watch a new Starlight Parade that we haven't seen yet. So a very jam-packed day, and we're super excited to take you along with us. So it actually works out quite well this morning because we would have had to get a bus to Animal Kingdom to then transfer to a bus to Blizzard Beach anyway. So we thought, why not come in for a little bit? I booked a single pass for them for Flight of Passage. We haven't got multi-pass today just because we don't really feel like we'd need it. We're hoping this afternoon it might be a bit quieter in Animal Kingdom, so we shall see. So for our reservation for Yak and Yeti this evening, it was really busy, so we weren't able to get a reservation like through the My Disney Experience app. But we are Landry Card members, which you don't actually have to pay, I don't think, or possibly have to pay $25 to sign up. But then you get that back in rewards, and then you just go up when you want a table, and then usually we found we can get one in about 10 minutes wait. So we're just going to do that this afternoon. Also, just while I'm sat outside Stooley Canteen, so when you're coming into Stooley Canteen on the left, there's usually free ice water there, just to let you know. There isn't actually at the minute because it is quite early in the morning, but usually that's one of the places that you can get ice water. So Mum has just messaged to say that Flight Passage has gone down, so they might be a while. So I was just looking at the wait times for today. It is very, very busy. So Flight Passage is currently a 115-minute wait. Navi, River Journey is 35. We've got Safari is 40 minutes. What else? Oh, Everest is 40 minutes. And Dinosaur is only 10 minutes. So it's very, very busy today. We also found that it was very, very, very busy in Epcot and Hollywood Studios yesterday. So by the time we'd done our 3 multi-passes, which were like early afternoon-ish, we then couldn't book anything else until about 8 PM. So we're thinking it's because it's like the last week of American summers and then they're going to go back to school. So hoping that it might get a bit quieter for our next 2 weeks. Well, go on then. What?
It just feels like plastic.
Like plastic? Is it not sticky?
No.
Oh. Is it a hat? It's a hat. It's a hat. It's a hat. What's the information? What's the information?
Yeah, okay.
I love the music.
This is like the French entrance, the French park entrance.
Yeah, it's actually singing properly, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
That is the French.
Well, to be honest, most French. The song would be yellow, so wouldn't it? Nice things on those. No dice.
I don't know.
It's Florida. They're gonna melt it in the sand.
Being told off for taking too many pictures. We made it to Blizzard Beach. I'm so excited. It's so cute. You can see me. Hello. Wow. I'm so happy to be here. We haven't been here since how many years? 5? It's like 6 years. 6 years since we've been here. That's exciting. Tattoo. We're at Lotte Water Lodge, which is very exciting. Hello. And we have lunch. You can see me. We'd say I had a really good lunch. It was really good, wasn't it? I know. Mum's burnt her feet.
It was in the sun where you had to get them.
We got our donuts. We got an extra one.
I didn't get dipping sauce.
That's
Say
okay.
whether it was included or not, and it was $1.69.
That's fine.
Oh my! We got an extra 2.
We got an extra 2. Thank you. Is it really hot? They look very good. Really good. Are they good? Are they as good as you remember? Are they as good as you remember?
Better slightly crisper, I think.
Yeah, good though. And it's a snack credit, and we got 2 extra. Nathaniel. Sorry. We all got a little bit sunburnt, didn't we, Nathaniel?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're just going to go back to the hotel now. We have to get a bus to Animal Kingdom, then we can go back to the hotel. Yeah. Because we're all just a bit tired.
Sides, we have a diamond shape, and then we're gonna flip them in. So flip the top over, and then just crease it where the line is. Press, press, press,
Look, Nathaniel, you want to show what you just made? You made some origami stitch. That was really cool that they were doing that.
It was.
That's really nice for kids.
Yeah. There's a lot of things that they're doing.
There is.
Very good.
There's always chalk over here. Shall I show the chalk?
I like that.
Like this one says, who am I? A Mickey Mouse, B Pirouette, C Moana. Oh, and then we have the up house. Oh. And the alien strangers from the outside. And there's some from Tangled. Very cool. Oh yeah, and there was a Dole Whip or a churro, like, what's it called? Tally. No, it's like a tally.
Tally.
Yeah,
No, tally
very
and
cool.
see.
I think I would go for Dole Whip.
Yeah.
What would you go for? Shouldn't like churros. Oh yes, these are the water shoes that we had to buy because
$95 worth of water.
it was so hot though. We kept burning our feet, didn't we?
Yeah.
And we can use them at Discovery Cove. It matches your t-shirt. There's a storm coming. So when we got back to the Animal Kingdom bus stop, there was a French Quarter bus, and because we're staying at Port Orleans Riverside, we can walk between the two, which was a good idea at the time. However, I don't know if you can see how dark it is and the thunder. Hoping we don't get wet. But when we get back to the room, we're probably going to have a rest for a bit and then see what we're going to do. Oh.
Oh, yay.
There we go.
Not as expensive as the...
There's a giraffe. Oh, and that one over there.
I didn't know that.
Right, that's cool. Oh, I think there's a... Yeah. Yeah, I'm just updating them on where we are. No, it's fine. We're at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Because we're having Sanaa for tea. Which we're going to have curry, yes. Which we weren't planning on having curry for tea, but we're very excited about it. And the bread service. The dip sauces. Yeah.
These are the best.
The dip sauces. Yeah, we're going to go down here. Because we've never seen them so close when we've visited it before. It's over there now.
The spicy one? No.
Yeah.
That's not my drink.
Which we do not have.
All the rice is
I'm going to drop the bag.